Hello everyone and welcome to SheBoldStock.tv. My name is Jasmine Hunt and I teach you creative ways to grow your business online fearlessly. I have my own Style Stock Photo membership where I offer women entrepreneurs online stock photos as well as graphic templates to grow their business. They can use this from their website to their blog posts to their social media accounts and anywhere else in their brand. Stock photos are great to add to your business when you use them effectively. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to use Style Stock photos for Instagram. Number one, use stock photos as fillers in your feed. So a good rule of thumb is for every one stock photo, use custom content that you've created as well. This could be anything from quotes to graphics to personal photos of yourself, your family, where you travel, what you do outside of your business. Those are custom contents that you can add in between Style Stock photos. Inside the membership, I also include quote graphics as well as graphic templates that you can utilize as your custom content. But don't forget to add your own self, add your personal style. Showcase your face, let people know who you are and what you stand for. By showing the person behind the brand, you are growing a connection with your ideal audience. Number two, find relatable lifestyle images. Keep away from cheesy, overly perfected stock photos. You've seen the stock photo where the girls are eating salad and they're just having a grand old time eating salad, like they're just truly happy eating that salad. I don't know about you, but I'm not going to be smiling when I'm eating salad unless it's like some pizza right next to it. So find images that relate to you and your audience. Use images that have a human touch, whether it's just a hand or the full body. Find images that include hobbies that you like doing or the hobbies that your audience likes to do as well. By staying relatable to your audience, you'll be able to find like-minded people that are connected to you. Number three, find the right models. So speaking of human touch, get images that look like you or your ideal audience. What I mean by this is to find images that include your skin color, that includes your hair texture, and that includes your body type. However, if your brand believes in inclusivity, where you want to showcase all types of women, then don't forget to show that in your feed as well. Here in SheBoldStock, you'll find images that include black women. This is the area that tends to get overlooked by many stock photo sites. And this is one of the main reasons why I decided to create my own membership. Number four, stick to your brand's aesthetic. In order to create a consistent theme that includes your custom content as well as Style Stock photos, you need to find images that fit your aesthetic. So if you are a brand that loves bright and airy images, find images that look bright and airy. If you're a brand that likes moody and dark and cinematic images, find images that portray that as well. Once you find a stock photo site that mimics what you want, stick with them. Consistency is key. Number five, customize your Style Stock photo. There are many ways to customize your Style Stock photos. I often showcase that on Instagram stories as well as on my blog because I feel that any stock photo can be customized to fit your brand. There are a couple of ways that you can customize your Style Stock photos. One, find minimally edited photos. By doing this, you'll be able to find filters that fit your style the best. Use that filter on your custom content as well as your stock photos. That way it can create a consistent theme for your feed. When I'm scheduling out my Instagram, I like to utilize an app that allows me to see my feed as a whole. This will help me make decisions on my next post. Another way is to crop your images. With high quality stock photos, you are able to zoom in and crop to a particular area of the photo. It's remarkable how well an image can actually be changed just by doing this one little trick. Another way is to utilize graphic overlays, such as color overlays, or you can use your text. So use your brand colors and your fonts to brand your photos in a way that fits you. I love using Canva for this method. You can also change the colors of your images. So I like to do this a lot in my own brand because I have a different color scheme. So what I'll do is I'll use an app called PixArt where I can change the colors right from my phone. You can also do this with Photoshop, but I'm not a Photoshop girl, so I like to stick with something that's easily accessible for me. And lastly, add your own screenshots, videos, and quotes to a stock photo mockup. Use mockups with blank screens, frames, and even negative space. That way you can showcase your next blog post, promote your next digital product, or a video that you've created for YouTube or IGTV. So those are just a few creative ways that you can customize your stock photos for Instagram. So that's 5 ways you can utilize style stock photos for Instagram. But I want you to also get engagement too. Over on the blog, I also created 3 ways you can get engagement with your stock photos. So go ahead and head on over to the blog right after this video. So if you enjoyed these tips, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be creating a whole lot more creative ways that you can grow your business online. Alright, I will see you in the next video, and peace.